Today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken metal back box. So here I have a metal back box which is pre-dinosaurs. I need to get a torch to show you what I'm doing, but I'm working out of the back of a hire van and it's an absolute nightmare. I've got stuff everywhere with no racking and I don't know if I've left it in the other van. And I don't know how this van works. There we go. Do you have any battery? No. Oh no. All right, we'll have to use the phone. So what we have here, if you can see, if I can try and balance this somewhere, is we have this lug here and it's supposed to look like that and it doesn't. Let me see if I can get you closer. So there's absolutely no thread there whatsoever when I'm expecting something like that. And replacing the back box isn't an option because I'm definitely going to break some of these tiles if I try and take it out. So what we're going to do instead is I have got some of these. And these are back box repair clips and I'll show you how they work. These aren't really readily available. You have to do a bit of hunting online to find them. I'll leave a link in the description below where I found them and it just so happened to be a plumber's merchant's. And this is what they look like. So the theory is the back box is a little bit bent, so I'm going to try and straighten it out, and then like I say, in theory I just need to clip this back box repair kit on and screw it back. Let's see how this goes. It does say on the packet that you need to remove the old lug. It says there, remove the damaged thread. I don't really have the option of that because it's a welded part of it, so we're going to see if we can slide it in front of it without breaking this tile. Obviously, if I break this tile, I'm in so much trouble. Okay, so I've got a little bit of a gap there. What I'm going to try and do is just push this on, but that is actually right in the way, so I need to try and get this off somehow. I'm going to have to file these down, I think. Of course, my file is in the other van, so that's a real pain. I think we nearly have it. Let's see if I can give it a bit more of a wiggle on. And there we go. That, and that's proper strong as well. That is ready to go. So I'm going to connect this socket back up and see if it can take the strain. It's the moment of truth. So that hasn't gone very well. That is still loose. Let's have a look. Okay, so the clips come straight off the back box. I don't think I had this on properly, so we're going to do it again. That feels solid now, so we'll have another go. So what you'll find with these clips is this is the bit that goes on the back box and it's got some like shark's teeth on it which is how it digs into the back box. And it takes some proper welly to get it on, but I think we're there this time. And there you have it, all fixed. Nothing to hold me back, take my time. Subscribe to my channel. Right.